So what's up, everyone? Got a quick Freak Chef Test Kitchen segment for you. I have a new recipe, some new kitchen toys I want to play with, and it's going to be exciting as fuck. Fuck yeah. So, yeah, with my new kitchen toys, I needed 2 scrub potatoes. Either Yukon or russet would work. I preheated my oven to 450 degrees. I'm going to just give these a quick little punctures, like just to open up the skin, just so they actually do what I want them to do in there. I don't want them to get like expanded because I'm going to use the skins for something else. But for this recipe, I'm downscaling it. I'm doing Duchess potatoes. New recipe I came across. I have a twist on it, and I can't wait because I want to actually use this for an event that I'm doing in about a month from now. So I know it's a little far out, but I have some time. I want to try it. I want to play. And I have some new kitchen toys that I want to play with, which you guys are going to see in a little bit. So first, we're just going to get these potatoes in the oven to bake. It's going to take about 45 minutes. And in a little bit. Make sure our slits are facing up. There we go. The struggle's real. There we go. Right in that fucking thing. See you guys in about a half hour. We'll check on them. Fuck my shit. Fuck yeah. Alright, so I think our potatoes are fucking done. Hell yeah. So the next step, once we get these out of the oven, oh yeah, those are perfect. Just make sure, give it a pinch, they pop. Remember when we made the slit in them? So they pop open like that? That's what we want. So we're gonna let these cool a little bit before we start handling them, because we're gonna mash them up. We're gonna get some egg shit going, and then we're gonna play with our new kitchen toys. So we're gonna just let these linger around for like 15 minutes and let them cool down so that they're cool enough to kind of handle. Alright, so our potatoes are pretty cool. You squish them like that. They're done inside. They crack open. And we're going to get going. And if you take a look real quick, we have our seasonings and everything laid out. We have just simple kosher salt. Of course, our cracked black pepper. We're going to put up fresh. We have our, well, it calls for garlic powder. We use onion powder. In this version, it's a little more subtle. I don't want it too overpowering. Garlic powder, I know what that tastes like. I just want something a little more mild. Of course, some nutmeg, paprika, butter. We have our egg yolk and our egg white. We separated those already into 2 different things. I'm going to use a fork to mash this. And of course, we have our sheet pan lined with parchment paper ready to go. And the cool part is, we are about to use some new kitchen toys that I just got. Fuck yeah, I'm excited about. So, get in here. Let's mash these potatoes. I mean, like, get in here, get in here. No, even closer, like, right in there. Right in there. There we go. Everybody sees it. So, I did the baking potato method on this one. You can peel the potatoes if you want, and discard the peelings or use them for whatever you want to do. I'm doing this small scale. I wanted to do it with the actual bake on the potatoes because I'm going to do some potato skins for me and a friend of mine tomorrow, so I want to save the potato skins. I'm just going to put that over there for now. Eat this with a spoon, a fork, whatever you want. This is test kitchen, so this is probably not the way I'd normally do this if I was going to make potato skins. But I do want to scoop our filling out, and letting it cool down helped it be a lot easier to handle. Now, of course, the potatoes do kind of firm up a little bit, but that's okay. Like I said, this is just the test kitchen version with this new recipe, and just to make sure everything comes out the way I want it when we actually do go to serve this, or when I put it in my fucking cookbook. Fuck yeah. Skin. So now all that's in the bowl, we're going to just start mashing that up. With 6 russet potatoes, it calls for 2 egg yolks, 2 egg whites. So I'm just going to gauge this a little bit, get some of this egg yolk in there. I really don't want to pour all of it in there. I don't want to get that anywhere in anything I'm actually going to be touching anytime soon. I can do cooked egg. I can't do raw egg or anything anywhere in anything that would never get cooked. So it's a little hard for me sometimes. So we're just going to incorporate that. That consistency looks pretty good. It seems pretty even. And now we have our seasoning. So we have paprika, salt, pepper, nutmeg, and in this case I'm using onion powder, not garlic powder. Rinse my hands off before I touch the pepper because I think I have some egg on my hand. Ugh. Make this the contaminated rag. Okay. And here we go. Here's our fresh ground black pepper. Don't want to go too much with it. Now we're going to take this, take this for a few minutes, and just start incorporating that in. And it should eventually smooth out into a much thicker and smoother mixture. But we're just going to keep working on that. Again, I would normally use like a mixer to do this, or a potato masher. But with such a small quantity like this, just 2 little potatoes, this is fine just doing it with a fork. I'm okay. The struggle's real. Alright, so this is the part I'm very excited about. I'm using disposable piping bags for this. This is a piping bag. This is a star tip, like, piping bit, and the rings and stuff that hold it on there. So, I'm using a disposable because, first of all, it's a hell of a lot easier to clean. Well, you just toss it out. Because of the raw egg in there, I don't want to have to fuck around with trying to clean out an actual piping bag. Let me get my scissors here. Because what I did was I kind of measured it out so that, like, if I shove this in there, this should actually be cut off and it'll hold the tip that I'm actually using. So I'll go ahead and cut this off. And this is the new kitchen toy stuff that I got for ship. I'm excited about. Our potatoes are all nice and creamy. We're gonna finger that thing out into there. Get it into our little baggy pipey thing. Ooh, not bad. Actually, it's like I could probably even cut maybe just a little more off. Okay. Well, better cut less off than more, and then it's too short, so let's see how that fits. Oh, that's nice. There we go. It's a nice tight fit around all that. Then you take the tip, you put it on there. There's a nice little star tip and everything. And then we screw this on. It should catch the plastic and seal everything in nicey nice. Oh yeah. I hope. There we go. So we're gonna make a cool design with our potato slurry mixture thing. Oh, come back in. Check it out. Get in here. There we go. Alright, so we have our thing. And from what I read, I've never really used one of these. If you fold this down in such a way, it makes it easier to stuff and you work from the bottom up instead of having to squeeze it down from the top. So we're going to go ahead and try that. That looks like it's going to hold quite a bit of what we have in this little bowl here. Because again, this is just test kitchen. This is not like full portion for a whole party. So we're just going to take our potato egg seasoned mixture and get it in the bag. Okay. It doesn't pick up very well. That's okay. Fuck my shit. Oh fuck. So the whole trick to this is pack it down in there and squirt it out the tip. That's really kinky. Fuck yeah. What do you expect from Freak Chef? I mean, fuck my shit. We're gonna squirt it out the tip. So let's get this shit down there. Shit, look at that. Fuck my shit. Alright, so this is like pastry chef shit and cake decorating stuff. I don't normally do this, but I've seen it done before. I watched a video. So I think you pinch right there. You give it a pinch and then give it a squeeze and twist. And then you go around like that. And then somehow you're able to squeeze stuff out. And that's what we're going to do. So, Duchess potatoes, here we go. They're supposed to look really fancy and shit with a little squeezy thing like this. Fuck my shit, here we go. Come in here. Oh man, I hope this fucking shit works. Oh, the egg whites. Oh no, that's for later. Hold on a second. I got this shit. Okay. Squeezy out. 2 inches round, so they say. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay. It's almost, that's pretty much 2 inches. Fill in the middle here. Let's keep working our way up now. There we go. I think I had a clog. It's alright. I think my piping bag is constipated. Fuck. Alright, let's try another one. Start over here. Okay, I think we're getting better at this. Alright, hey, not bad, you know? First time for everything. Fuck my shit. You want to take your egg white, and it says to just kind of beat whisk or something until it starts to get a little foamy. So we're just going to use a plastic spoon. I just had one in the drawer, because, like, whatever. And then once this is foamy, and it's starting to kind of get foamy, you pour it over these potato stacks of stuffs. I go ahead and just kind of ladle it on. I don't know. Just give it a nice kind of even coat type deal. Now that we have our potatoes covered with this nasty raw egg stuff, I'm just going to combine that. I don't even care. This is going right in the garbage. I'm just going to put that there for now. It's like too much raw egg for me. And then I'm going to do a little parsley for garnish. So we're going to just do sprinkles. That's it. I think by the time the egg cooks though, I'm worried that that may burn off. So I'm going to see how that looks after we get it in the oven. So we're just going to put this in there for, let me look at the recipe thing. 7 to 8 minutes. Oh no, 10 to 15 at 450 or 425. For mine it's 450, but I guess we're at 15 minutes. So at around 7:45, we're taking it out. Fuck! I'm gonna clean this shit up because there's too much raw egg around for me. Fuck my shit. Well, here we go. It's been 15 minutes. I haven't opened up the door yet, so this is our first adventure in there. And we're going to see how our potato things came out. Fuck. Well. Alright. Come on in. So, I don't know. I don't think they have a lot of structure when it comes to how it was piped out with the star tip. Visually. This is some of the egg white that's spilled on that one. I don't know. Let me get a thingy thing. Like a forkness. Well, they didn't stick, so it doesn't look like they burned. We're going to flip one of these over. I don't know. looks like a little too burnt for me when it comes to potato. I mean, I like crisp potatoes. So what's nice is the parchment doesn't make them. Oh wait. Okay, so that's. So if the egg's not in contact with anything on the potato, then it'll leave that burn thing. I'm thinking. Let me get a dull like butter knife type deal. This is kind of the thickest one. Let's break one of these open. Oh, very soft. I mean, looks alright. I'm just a little concerned about how there's the egg and stuff in here. And if it's not done, I'm going to get very sick and probably go to the hospital. So, I guess fuck it, let's find out. I guess fuck it, let's find out. The inside's hot. Okay, it tastes really good. I think because of the egg in there, I want the inside to be hotter. So we're going to make some adjustments to the temperature. Instead of 425 or 450 where it was, I drop the temperature down. It doesn't crisp the outside as much, but gets the inside just a little hotter. But that's just a me thing because, I mean, they are done. I think that because of the egg in there, I meant to be cooked up there. But I'm thinking that the oven temperature was a little too hot and it kind of made the outside a little crispier than I really want it, because I'm thinking of maybe something a little more fluffy and not as crisp on the outside. Tastes really good though. But anyway, there it is. That was the experiment for tonight. But anyway, yeah. I'm not making these for your gig yet. I'm gonna keep playing around. This is Freak Chef Test Kitchen. But if you want the culinary pain toy, paint freak myself, fucking cook for your shit, fucking hit me up. And I strive for the best. I got some work to do on this. Anyway, love you guys. Check out my website, all my links and everything. And yeah, there it is. Pain Freak Chef Test Kitchen. Oh well.